Hi, how are you? I hope you can understand my previous concepts. So, now coming to today's concept, or this concept is parallel operation of DC generator. Okay, I will try to explain easily and effectively this concept. So, please try to understand parallel operation of DC generator. First of all, why we need to connect parallel operation? I mean parallel connection of DC generators. So there are somewhat advantages. Okay, see here in a DC power plant, for example, there is a DC power plant. Power is usually supplied from several generators of small ratings connected in parallel instead of from one large generator. So from one large generator, there is some more advantages when we connect several small generators will connected in parallel. Okay, I will tell you the reasons why we need to connect in parallel. Their first advantage, continuity in service. If a single large generator is used in the power plant, then what happens? In case of its breakdown, the whole power plant will be shut down. Okay. So, however, if power is supplied from if power is supplied a number of small units power operating in a parallel, then in case of failure of one unit, the continuity of supply can be maintained by the other units. Okay, I think you can understand this concept, continuity of service. If there is a large generator, if it is breakdown, then completely plant will be shut down. If there are some small plants in parallel connection, then if there is any fault or any failure in one unit, then the remaining units will be the remaining units will be provided the supply without any interruption. So this is the first advantage, continuity in service. Now coming to the efficiency. If the generators run most efficiently when the loaded to their rated capacity, so if the machines will be operated at loaded condition, so if you see the efficiency concept, so the generator efficiency is increasing by the load increasing. So the x-axis load, y-axis will be efficiency. So without load the efficiency will be 0. So at that certain condition the efficiency will be maximum, that is 3/4 load. So the machine always effectively worked at the time of loaded condition only. So these generators will be give the effectively or efficiently at the time of loading condition only. So the electric power costs less per kilowatt hour when the generator producing it is efficiently loaded. Okay, therefore when load demand on power plants decreases, one or more generators can be shut down and the remaining units can be efficiently loaded. If there are number of units 1 2 3 4, okay, this is the output. If there are 4 units, but we need to required to connect the 2 generators only, 2 generating units only sufficient for the load, then we have to shut down the remaining 2 units, because the first 1 and 2 units will be sufficient to continue the power supply. If the load will be increased, if the demand will be increased, then the unit 3 also switched on. So the fourth one only shut down in the position. So depending upon the requirement, the generating units will be shut down or switching on the positions of the generators. So like that, the efficiency should be increased by the operating in parallel. So the parallel operation of these generators is very important. And coming to the third advantage, maintenance and repair. If there is any unit will be under repair condition or under fault condition, then the generator will be shut down. The remaining 3, 1, 2, 4, the remaining units will be provided the continuity supply. The third generator will be maintained by the maintainer. So we can maintain and repair the generators at the time of parallel operation. So this leads to both safety and economy. So fourth one, increasing plant capacity. So if we need to increase the load, so already we discussed there are 4 units, but these are not sufficient for the demand. If we need to increase the load, then we can add one more unit. If we still need the requirement, we can add one more unit. So total 1 to 6 units will be connected in parallel. So in the modern world of increasing population, the use of electricity is continuously increasing. See here, when added capacity is required, the new unit can be simply paralleled with the old units. So in many situations, a single unit of desired large capacity may not be available. In that case, number of smaller units can be operated in parallel to meet the load requirement. Generally, a single large unit is more expensive. So this is one of the most important and advantage. And coming to the last one, non-availability of a single large unit. So we cannot provide the single large unit if we need. So that time we have to connect small power plants, small units will connect in parallel. If you need this material, please comment your mail ID in the comment box. Then I will send you your mail ID. Thank you. Thanks for watching.